Welcome to Ehsanullah channel. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more updates.
Best freelancing websites for beginners. Do you want to earn online money? But how can you do it? Today I'm going to show you best freelancing websites for beginners, but in my opinion, it is not possible to earn online without any skills and investment. If you have skills, you can earn money online by doing freelancing. If you have skills like SEO, website development, digital marketing, graphics designing and more. Whether you're looking for the well-paid, best freelance jobs, or just to get freelance work on the side that can help pay your savings or pay the bills, then you've come to the right place. Your boss getting progressively worse, or if you're just tired of your full-time job, I've got your back with these best freelance jobs websites. Hey everyone, I'm Ehsanullah and today I'm going to share with you best freelancing websites for beginners to start your online career. List of best freelancing websites for beginners: 5. Upwork, PeoplePower, Guru, Freelancer. First one is Fiverr. Fiverr was founded by Misha Kaufman and Shai Wininger and was launched in February 2010. The founders came up with the concept of a marketplace that would provide a two-sided platform for people to buy and sell a variety of digital services typically offered by freelance contractors. Services offered on the site include writing, translation, graphic design, video editing, and programming. Fiverr's services start at $5 and can go up to thousands of dollars with gig extras. Each service offered is called a gig. It is the best freelancing website for beginners. Second one is Upwork. Upwork Alliance was founded in 1999 by Birud Sheth, Srini Anumalu and Sanjay Narona. Odesk was founded in 2003 by Odysseus Satalos and Stratus Karamanlakis. Upwork was formed 18 months after and Odesk announced their merger on December 18, 2013. PeoplePower. PeoplePower, founded in 2007 by Zenios Thrasyavolu and Simos Kitiris. The company has offices in London and Athens. Businesses opting to use the website are often startups or SMEs looking to grow flexibly by hiring freelancers to handle projects rather than hiring in-house or via agencies. Jobs start from little as an hour offers and can be ramped up as needed to build whole teams online, meaning the model is scalable all the way up to global enterprises. As the leading marketplace for freelance talent in the UK, PeoplePower holds a powerful insight into the self-employed segment of the labour market and have created and collaborated on numerous research projects on SMEs, freelancing and the gig economy and provide resources for new and growing businesses and those looking to pursue a freelance career. Guru Inc. was founded in 1999 in San Francisco as an online clearinghouse for high-tech workers seeking short-term contracts. The company, led by brothers John and James Slaverth, raised $3 million in angel funding and a further $16 million in a full venture round led by Greylock Partners and August Capital. In a May 2000 interview, Paul Safo cited Guru.com as an example of a company using the internet to provide new kinds of services where individuals negotiated directly with potential employers. The company was acquired in December 2002 by Unicrew, a human resources software company based in Portland, Oregon. Guru's technology and stuff remained with Unicrew. This is best for designers. Freelancer. Freelancer is a marketplace where employers and employees are able to find each other. The site allows employers to post work for site members while bidding on in a competitive tender process. The site also allows members to host and enter contests for which prize money is offered as a reward. Freelancers and employers develop profiles on the site as they offer, win and complete work and write and receive reviews of people they work with or for. The site's members receive a finite number of bids to use on the site, which are periodically replenished. A series of account options are offered, ranging from free accounts through to professional subscriptions.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget click the subscribe button. Please like, comment and share.